garden. Tell the socialites to look the other way. It's instinctive stimulation you convey. Sweet cream ladies forward march, Puritans ignore them. Sweet cream ladies do their part, sweet cream men adore them. Let them satisfy the ego of the male. Let them fabricate success to those who fail. And should parodies pursue them, what man's really credit to them? They might keep a simple fellow out of jail.
That little situation that happened 3 years ago with that female, that situation that happened 3 years ago with that female. I don't want the kids coming back home to you because you part of the problem. You got Willie Lynch all in your system. Daughter looking like Beyonce, a head full of blonde ass weave. What the hell I want her coming back home to you for? She stay with me and the boys stay with me in the dorms. And all you Hotepians who interviewed her, all of you Hotepians who put her on a platform and spread that garbage, talking about I was spending the money and y'all never once asked her for proof. Y'all never once asked her, show me proof he spent the school money. None of y'all. Y'all interviewed her 1,000,000 times and not one of you asked her to show y'all proof. Guess what? All of y'all who interviewed her, you're not coming in my school. You're not. You don't give voice to that. I ain't forget. I never did no interviews about it. I never spoke on it. Okay? I might speak on it today in dollars for the first time. I never did no interviews about it. I never spoke on it. Okay? I might speak on it today in dollars for the first time.
Many of you guys know that I recently went up to New York City to sit down for an interview with Vlad TV. We did the interview, I guess it was about an hour to 90 minutes long. I thought we had a pretty good conversation. Some of the questions were bullshit questions. Of course, he brought up the conscious scandal situation with her, and he brought up homosexuality. And I didn't think either one of those issues needed to be brought up because I had dealt with them so many times in the past.
I never did no interviews about it. I never spoke on it. Okay? I might speak on it today in dollars for the first time.
In the third clip, so I'm looking for something. We discussed black economics. We discussed the negative image of black men portrayed in the media. We discussed a lot of good, solid, usable, relevant information during that Vlad interview. So then I said, okay, I know they're going to upload something positive. So then you upload a third clip. And this one is Umar Johnson talks about how he lost a $1 million donation because of the scandal. It's true. I lost a $1 million donation. But that was 2 years ago. Why are you bringing up old ass, irrelevant information? A lot of you fuckboys are about sensationalism. You want to sensationalize everything. I haven't seen a positive clip yet from that Vlad interview. If I knew that y'all was going to do some fuckboy shit, I wouldn't even drove 2 hours up to New York City.